Many of us are concerned with our weight. Most of us are overweight and would like to lose weight. Two factors of weight loss are proper diet and effective exercises. The weight loss diet must be customized especially for you depending on various factors such as your weight, height, age, etc. But if you go to a dietitian, then you have to pay them. But if you can generate a weight loss diet for free using Chat GPT, all you need to do is insert a prompt containing all the details about you. So this is the prompt which I made, which I am going to use and insert this into Chat GPT. So let me just read this prompt. Suggest me a weight loss diet. I want to lose at least 5 kg within the next 30 days. I'm a male. My current weight is 5 kg. My height is 5 feet 10 inches. I am 31 years old. I have 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Suggest to me what should I eat in these 3 meals. Also suggest to me what food I should eat if I get hungry in between meals. Suggest to me what kind of food I should avoid. Suggest to me how many liters of water should I drink each day. Suggest me some exercises which I can do in at what time of the day that would accelerate my weight loss. So this is the prompt. You can see this is the this prompt is about me. I'm going to insert this into the Chat GPT, and in your case all you need to do is edit and change the values. For example, you can change this weight loss, this value 5 kg to something like 7 kg, 6 kg, etc. And you can change the number of days and change this to your weight and your height, etc., age, etc. So all you need to do is edit and customize this prompt for in your case. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and I am going to paste this over here and see the proper diet which Chat GPT suggests me. Okay, so this is the diet which this Chat GPT suggests me, and I also mentioned some exercises to suggest me. Okay, so let's go through the response. So first was, I can provide you with a general weight loss plan, but keep in mind it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. With that said, here is the plan you can consider. So in case if you are not suffering from a serious health condition such as diabetes or heart disease, etc., or something like that, then you can try this proper diet out suggested by Chat GPT. This will save you time and your money. So first one is breakfast, 8 a.m. So the time is not that important. Okay, a serving of oatmeal with fresh berries. Example is strawberries, blueberries, a sprinkle of nuts, almonds, walnuts, etc. So you can just if some of the things are not available in your region, you can just replace that with something else, some fruit which is similar. Okay, a boiled or poached egg, great. A herbal tea, or black coffee without added sugar. Okay, so sugar, you see, you need to follow this, no sugar. Okay, no sugar, herbal tea or black coffee. So in my opinion, you should try this out, this kind of tea. Okay, weight loss herbal tea, herbal supplement with pineapple cleanse and detox. So this is the kind of tea which you need to try out. I am providing the link down in the description below. Okay, and then let's move on. Mid morning snack, 10:30. So you might get hungry. Okay, it's possible you might get hungry. Okay, a small, whenever you get hungry in between the breakfast and lunch, you can try out a small apple or a handful of baby carrots. No problem, good. A small serving of Greek yogurt or a small handful of almonds, which is nuts. For example, Greek yogurt. Let's search what is Greek yogurt is. So a Greek yogurt is essentially the same as regular yogurt, with the addition of one critical step, straining. At the very end, the yogurt is strained. Okay, so all you need to do, Greek yogurt is made by straining out extra whey in regular yogurt, which makes the yogurt thicker, creamier and tangier than regular yogurt, while plain yogurt has less sugar and more protein than regular yogurt. The latter delivers almost twice the bone strengthening materials, calcium. Okay, so you can try out Greek yogurt, it's very healthy. Okay, in case if you get hungry in between breakfast and lunch. Okay, now let's move on to lunch at 1 p.m. Lunch would be grilled chicken or turkey breast with a side steamed vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower or carrots, and a mixed green salad with a variety of colorful vegetables and a light vignette dressing. Use sparingly. Okay, so in my opinion, you should avoid any kind of dressing or kind of ketchup, sauce, etc., because they contain sugar. So make sure just eat the vegetables right exactly the way they are. Okay, no dressing, etc., in my opinion. Okay, then followed by afternoon snack. If you get hungry between lunch and dinner, sliced cucumber with hummus. So what is hummus? You can, if you're confused about any of this, then you can simply Google search and then find out the recipe of what is hummus made of. Hummus is a smooth creamy puree of cooked chickpeas, garabo beans, tahini or sesame paste and an acid, typically lemon juice. So you can simply look up for the hummus recipe on Google or YouTube, then just follow and make it. Okay, then followed by a small portion of low fat cheese, string cheese or a boiled egg. So you can eat cheese or boiled egg. Boiled egg is very good, it contains protein and not that much fat and it's very good. Okay, then followed by dinner at 7 p.m. Dinner consists of baked or grilled fish, example salmon, tilapia fish, which is also a kind of fish, So whatever, if these two fish are not available, just find something which is available in your region. Doesn't need to be strictly these fish, okay? With a side of kiona or brown rice. Simply Google search if you're confused about any one of these, followed by steamed or roasted vegetables such as roasted carrots or any other tea, herbal tea. So herbal tea, you see, herbal tea is very important for weight loss. This is the kind of herbal tea you can have. I am providing the link in the description below. Before bedtime, if you get hungry, a small cup of low fat or fat free milk or a cup of herbal tea, okay, herbal tea. So you are already having herbal tea during dinner, so it's better to have this low fat milk because it contains calcium and other important ingredients, okay. So it's better to have milk. Okay, now let's come to the important part. Food to avoid: processed foods such as chips, sugary snacks or fast food, okay. Sugary beverages such as soda, sugary fruit juices, so it's very important. Do not have this soda. Soda contains a lot of sugar, so avoid this at all cost, or any ice creams or something, okay. And sugary, do not juice your fruits, okay. Do not drink apple juice. Eat the apple as a whole fruit. Do not drink the apple juice because it removes the fiber and just gives you plain glucose, okay. So avoid drinking fruit juices. Eat the fruits instead. Then avoid fried foods and excessive amounts of oils, okay. Avoid foods such as fried chicken. Avoid foods such as French fries, burgers, etc. Avoid high calorie, high fat desserts such as ice cream, etc. Like cookies, cakes, etc. Hydration, the amount of water is important. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters, 8 to 12 cups of water throughout the day. Drink water before meals to help control appetite. So drink 2 to 3 liters. Just buy 2 bottles which measures the amount of water. Buy a bottle of 2 liters container that would help you to measure the amount of water you drink. If you can drink 2 liters, that's fine, but if you can't drink 3 liters, then do not need to force yourself to drink the water, okay. Do not over drink water because that's going to put pressure on your kidneys, okay. For exercising is very important. Incorporate both cardiovascular exercises and strength training for effective weight loss. You can try morning 6:30, a 30-minute brisk walk or a jog. Evening body weight exercise like push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, etc. with 3 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions each, okay. So these are the kind of exercises you can try out. For cardio, you can watch this video, this kind of video, okay. Okay, let's the ad go. Okay, so this is the cardio video. This is the cardio video you can follow. You can see that this is a 31 minutes cardio video, and this video is going to guide you properly through your cardio. 31 minutes is going to be extensive cardio session. So if you can do it, at least try out 15 minutes, then you can continue and finish the 31 minutes, but it's going to burn a lot of fat. Okay, and then you not only you need to do the cardio, you also need to do strength training. You need to build muscles, because muscles consume glucose. Okay, they need glucose for energy. But if you don't build up muscles, then energy is not going to be consumed by that much. So it's very important for you to build muscles. Go to the gym or do body weight exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, etc. Okay, so these are the kind of your aim is not only to do cardio or burn fat, but also to build muscles, so that those muscles consume greater amount of energy, and that would help you to burn more fat. Okay, remember, consistency is key. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your exercises over time. As I suggested, 31 minutes. You will not be able to do all the 31 minutes at once at your first go. You need to gradually increase this and make it to the 31 minutes. Okay, and listen to your body and rest when needed. Okay, don't force yourself. If you're out of breath, then take rest. Okay, do not force yourself. Ensure you get adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night, to support your weight loss efforts. Please note that individual needs and preferences vary, so you may need to adjust the plan accordingly. It's always a good idea to consult a registered dietitian or a healthcare provider before starting any new diet or exercise program. So this is the proper diet, weight loss diet, which Chat GPT is responded to, and I am going to provide this prompt down in the description below, so that you can edit this, insert your own details, and then get the response for you in the Chat GPT. Okay, then another video which I would recommend you to watch is this video. This is a podcast about where the guest is who got a nickname glucose goddess. This video will help you to understand like what kind of foods you should avoid, and it's going to help you a lot in your weight loss journey. Okay, so I'm providing the link of this video down in the description below, so check it out, and also providing the link of this cardio video down in the description below, and also this herbal tea, which is very important and will be in your diet, weight loss diet. Okay, it's got other flavors such as, okay, so you will check it out. Okay, so I hope if you have found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.